Just so you know, it's going incredibly well.
Kill him, boys.
Poor Julie. Got ourselves a pretty good rain this morning.
So we take them off.
Yeah. Got a new toy. It's an old toy. It's just a quiver magnet. So I'm gonna throw it in the water. Well, as you can see, we are sitting on a bank by the side of a pond this morning, trying to shoot a duck loaf. I would say 150 about ducks that we're using this. I'm thinking that the loaf will build day after day. We just had the first group come in right over our head. We knocked one down. Oh. But yeah, we got 5 shooters here. We kind of brought a bunch of grass and willows and stuff and tried to camouflage ourselves along the side here. Got a bunch of floaters out. The pond's pretty deep and my waders are full of holes, so I can't go out very far. But the birds will be most likely coming from behind us, so they'll just be quick over the top and swing into us. See what we can make happen here this morning. Hopefully we'll get a few ducks on the water. Here's 3.
Yeah.
We'll take them if they come. Just give them a circle. Let them circle one more time. Try them. Try them out there. They stayed a little bit out there, but hey, that's okay.
The first one I hit way out there.
Yeah.
And I missed it. Right
You did. You poked one out there. I couldn't aim because this branch.
Well, that was some action.
There we go.
Boy, did they set up just the way we wanted.
Just a little bit closer.
Oh, I don't know.
I didn't either.
Ducks coming?
Ducks. Oh, right here. Big flock.
Oh, 20 of them. Right there.
Get ready. Kill them, boys. Kill them, boys.
Poor shooting on my part.
Ah, how did we not get the 5th one? That was perfect, boys. Shoot him, Tommy.
There we go. Get her to the door now. Nice. Getting better. That's good. Yep.
You don't like something, eh? Three.
3 of them.
Kill those. Kill them, Tom.
Tom, it's you.
coming.
There you go, there you go. How did we?
I don't want to.
Man, we're shooting so bad.
Right here, 5 feet in front of us.
Yeah,
I know.
Did we get it?
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay.
We got both of those.
Well, that's good.
How many shots did it take to kill that silly drake out in front of us? So I can't hit nothing. You ready? Kill him. Kill him. Yeah, he's a submarine.
Like, I ain't coming up.
We're gonna whack him wherever he comes up.
That's fun.
Whoever shot the least amount of shells. Oh, he's
dead.
belly.
Yeah.
Oh, kill that one. There we go. Atta boys. Atta boys.
Saw that sucker come in.
Yeah, he just swung right over the road.
Well, the first shot got her, whoever that was.
Who was that?
Tony?
Tony?
I hit him on, I hit him on that one.
Good job. Little update for you. We're at about 15 ducks mid-morning here. It's been a little bit tough. We've whacked a lot of shots away that are like 70 yards, 80 yards, because a lot of the birds wanted to land kind of far out on the pond. So the wind has died down significantly. The rain has stopped, and we'll keep chipping away at these mallards. Hopefully we can start pulling them real close to shore. Does anybody else have anything to say? Any comments on this hunt? Tony's
Best
shooting
one
better
this year.
today. What?
Best one this year.
Best one this year because it's wow, real insightful.
There's an otter in this pond. Yeah.
Yeah, we've been battling this otter all morning. He's just stealing our ducks and running into the cattails, stealing another one, running into the cattails. No, he's probably got two. It's right there, Captain. You think he's got a second
It
one?
might be full now.
He might be taking a little siesta. Anyway, we're gonna kill some more ducks. Want to kill those?
Yep.
Kill them.
Oh, nice shot.
On your left, Kenton. Oh,
Not no more.
kill that one swimming away there.
Okay, I'll shoot him.
You got her? There you go. The one that crippled, that Herbert crippled right above us, is behind us somewhere. We got to catch it. All right. That was nice.
No.
Right here, on the, coming in.
Oh, yeah.
Kill him, boys. Woohoo! Kill him, boys. Woohoo!
Not dead yet. Do it again.
That was pretty. That was the prettiest one so far.
Yeah, it was.
Who shot it? Ken, you did?
I got my safety off.
Wow, that was awesome.
You made me a shell.
I think your puck is working, Matthew.
Right on.
The vibrator.
The vibrator at its best. You killed him? Kill him, top. Wow. Oh, Kenton, you got it. It's a far shot. Wow. Oh, the other one's coming back around. Just wait, see?
Did I hit him?
You got her. Oh my god. They looked so much closer. That's hard.
Yeah, that is going to reach.
Yeah, we did it.
$100 worth of shells. That's okay. We got
So, I shot a box.
I shot a box.
At the quarter.
I shot a box too. Bridget bought.
That's 5 shells a duck.
Yeah, you didn't shoot a box, right?
No.
But we did a little extra for you.
That's like 8. Because 10 would be 150 at 15. We got shot about 150 shells.
Oh, that's funny.
I have 8 rounds left of the box.
go butcher a few ducks. A few nice green beans in here.
Just slide them on.
Just put the tailgate up. There's a flock up. All right, boys. Afternoon goose hunt. Snow geese, some Canadas.
Oh yeah, there's some high ones.
Yeah, there's high snow geese coming. We got some birds coming. Got 5 shooters, and yeah, it's kind of a rain day, so we'll see what happens with these birds, how they react to us. Right now, I'm gonna get tucked down. Let's see if we can crack a couple birds. If that duck comes, we'll shoot the duck. Oh, more ducks, more ducks. Shoot him, boys. Shoot him over there. Nice. Good work.
Oh, look at all those geese.
Yep, sir.
Get down.
Let's get down quick. We'll see if these snows hate us or not. Oh yeah, low ones, Canadas. Get him, boys. Get him.
It's a cackler.
They like that side, eh?
Yeah.
Snow geese. Oh, they're just passing us. Pretty big flock. Kill him, boys. Kill him, boys. Woo! Another cripple. Look at that one. Hey.
That's a good flock.
That was a good flock. Nice. They did flare a little bit, but that was awesome. Another one going.
Oh.
Single behind us, real close. Low and close. Coming. Patrick, wait. Oh, there you go. Nice. Who is that? Deadeye over there. Deadeye. Yeah, let's pick a couple up. Yeah.
Yes, there's 3 coming.
Oh, single duck. Out front. Kill it. Hey. Not sure where that thing came from. Let that one land. No, wait. Don't kill him. Don't kill him. Oh, how'd I miss that bird? Oh, I missed that little one. Nice. Oh, that was awesome. That was good. That was great.
You noticed I noticed?
Well,
What?
I think we can
Come
pack
into
up.
They come into that.
Oh, single? Kill that single. There it is. Nice. Where did he come from?
Oh yeah. Wait, wait. No, kill that single. Kill that single. There you go. There you are.
I was going to stand up, Tom, but you had all your weight leaning on me. I couldn't stand up.
What's that?
That was really good.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
12 Canadas. We got 9 snow geese and 3 ducks this afternoon. It started raining on us halfway through the hunt. Rainy day. When we showed up to the field here, all the snow geese and the Canadas were still in the field that we were hunting. So we bumped them out and we're like, let's go in there and see what happens. On a rainy day, they sit all day like this, and we kind of anticipated it. But yeah, once we kicked them out, some of them started to come back, and then we got one nice group of Canadas to kind of finish on us, come close enough, and we rained a few of those out, and we had one nice big snow goose spin. A few ducks came in. I mean, snow geese are tough on any given day, but on a day like today, they're even tougher. So we had a great afternoon shoot here. Can't complain about those ones like in tough conditions like this. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. As always, it's raining outside. We just got done packing up here. I'm gonna head out and clean our birds. You're probably gonna see this whole day as one video. We did a pond duck hunt, as you saw this morning, and a decent little afternoon shoot here with some snow geese and some Canadas. Pretty fun day overall. It was a rainy day, so we were kind of leaving our good options to the side a little bit to see how much rain we'd get, how wet the fields will get. So tomorrow we're planning to go into a cornfield for some ducks. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. As always, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. Kill 'em, boys.